Have you ever wondered how insects, those tiny creatures crawling and flying all around us, actually breathe? I mean, they don't have noses like us, and you'll never see a bug panting after a long flight. So, how on earth do they get the oxygen they need to stay alive? The answer is both simple and fascinating, and it might surprise you. Let's imagine for a moment that you've shrunk down to the size of an ant. As you explore this new miniature world, you'll notice something odd. There are no lungs inside your tiny body. Instead, you have a network of tiny tubes running through you, kind of like a system of air highways. These tubes are called tracheae, and they carry oxygen directly to your cells. No middlemen, no lungs, just a direct delivery system from the outside air straight into your body. These tracheal tubes are connected to little openings on the outside of the insect's body called spiracles. Think of spiracles like breathing holes along the sides of the insect's body. When the insect needs air, it simply opens these holes and oxygen flows in. Then, through the tracheal tubes, the oxygen travels to every part of the insect's body, feeding the muscles, brain, and everything else it needs to stay alive and active. What's even cooler is that insects don't have to breathe the way we do. They don't have a diaphragm pulling air in and pushing it out. Instead, air just diffuses in and out of the spiracles naturally. Or sometimes they help it along by squeezing their bodies in a rhythmic way. It's super efficient for their size. And now, here's something mind-blowing. This system works great for small creatures, but it's one reason why insects can't grow as big as humans or animals. If they were too big, the oxygen wouldn't reach all their cells fast enough using this method. That's why giant bugs only exist in science fiction movies, and maybe a few ancient fossils. So the next time you see a dragonfly zipping through the air or a beetle crawling on the ground, remember that inside that tiny body is a smart little system pumping air, fueling life, and keeping that insect buzzing around like a tiny machine. Isn't nature amazing?